Welcome to your journey toward a healthier you. Are you ready to transform your health and feel amazing every day? In this video, we'll show you how a custom keto meal plan can be the game changer you've been looking for. Getting a dream body is something we all strive for, but it can be tough to know where to start. That's why I want to talk to you about the power of a personalized keto meal plan. This approach to nutrition can be a total game changer, and today I want to show you why. We've all been there, scrolling through social media, seeing those perfect bodies and wondering how we can achieve that for ourselves. And often, our first step is to jump into a generic meal plan that promises quick results. But the truth is, these plans rarely work in the long run because they are not tailored to our individual needs. We're all different, with unique body types, lifestyles, and goals. So, it's no wonder that a one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition usually ends in frustration and disappointment. Think about it. Have you ever tried a diet that worked for your friend, but didn't work for you? That's because we're not all wired the same way, and our bodies respond differently to different foods and nutrients. A generic meal plan can't take into account your specific needs, and that's why it often fails. We need a more personalized approach to nutrition, one that's tailored to our specific goals and body types. And that's exactly what a keto meal plan can offer. But before we dive into how to create a customized plan, let's talk about some common struggles people face when trying to get their dream body. For one, it's hard to know what foods to eat and what to avoid. We've all heard of the keto diet, but do we really know what it means to be in ketosis and how to get our bodies there? We're also often confused about the whole macronutrient ratio thing. What's the right balance of protein, fat, and carbs for our specific goals? And let's be honest, it's easy to get discouraged when we don't see results fast enough. We need a clear, step-by-step guide to creating a keto meal plan that works for us, not against us. So, what does a keto diet actually look like? At its core, a keto diet is all about putting your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. To get there, we need to focus on the right macronutrient ratios. Generally, that means getting about 70 to 80% of our daily calories from fat, 15 to 20% from protein, and 5 to 10% from carbs. Now, when it comes to specific foods, we want to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, nuts, and healthy oils. These foods will help us get into ketosis and stay there. We should also avoid foods that are high in carbs and sugar, like grains, starchy veggies, and most fruits. But here's the thing, everyone's nutritional needs are different, and that's why a generic keto diet won't work for everyone. A keto meal plan should be tailored to our specific needs and goals. It's not about cutting out entire food groups, but about creating a balance that works for our individual bodies. For example, if you're trying to lose weight, you might focus on more protein and healthy fats. If you're trying to gain muscle, you might focus on more carbs and moderate amounts of healthy fats. The key is to understand that everyone's nutritional needs are different, and a keto diet should reflect that. So how can we create our own customized keto meal plan? Well, I'm about to show you exactly how to do that. It's actually pretty simple. First, we need to calculate our specific macronutrient ratios and create a meal plan that's tailored to our individual needs and goals. Then, we can use that plan to track our progress, make adjustments as needed, and see the results we want. Getting started is easy. Simply sign up for a custom keto meal plan online. You'll fill out a questionnaire about your preferences, goals, and lifestyle. Our team of experts will then craft a plan just for you. With your plan in hand, it's time to shop and prepare. Follow the easy recipes and enjoy the delicious meals, all while watching the transformation happen. Are you ready to take the first step towards transforming your health? Join the thousands of individuals who have discovered the power of a custom keto meal plan designed just for you. Click the link below this video to get started. Your healthier, happier life is just a meal plan away.